profit in crude. Crude oil is the popular known as the black gold. Apart from gold, the other most volatile and unpredictable trading commodity, which can be the commodities trading superstar, is crude oil. With such high volume, trading in crude oil has maximum profit potential for traders and investors. Crude oil trading offers excellent opportunities to profit in nearly all market conditions due to its unique standing within the world economic and political system. Also, energy sector volatility has risen sharply in recent years, ensuring strong trends that can produce consistent returns for short-term swing trade and long-term timing strategies. Market participants often fail to take full advantage of crude oil fluctuations, either because they have not learned the unique characteristics of these markets, because they are unaware of hidden pitfalls that can eat into earnings. In addition, not all energy focused financial instruments are created equally, with a subset of these securities more likely to produce positive returns. Now, strategies for crude oil trading. Here are the four top crude oil trading strategies. First, buy and hold trading strategy. In crude oil trading, a buy and hold is probably the best, most widely used trading strategy. Traders analyze demand and supply factors and take calculated positions. If their predictions comes true, traders close their position to book profits way before expiry. Next, technical analysis trading strategy. Crude oil traders base their investment decisions on technical indicators such as candlesticks, bar chart, and the volume of trading. These technical indicators help traders predict crude oil's future price movement. Technical analysis in crude oil trading helps traders analyze the right time to buy and sell as per the former candle. Next, swing trading strategy. Swing trading strategy involves buying and holding a commodity for a short time period. It can range from a few minutes to 3 or 4 days. Crude oil swing traders rely on short-term changes in supply and demand, technical analysis, and candlestick charts to determine the market's trend. Swing traders buy a future contract if the market is trending up and sell if the market trends down. Crude oil swing traders aim to earn profit from small movements caused by volatility. Swing trading is a very risky, and crude oil traders can lose money quickly if the market unexpectedly moves against their desired trend. Next, spread trading strategy. Spread trading involves buying crude oil future contract in 1 month and selling another crude oil future contract in a further month. The purpose is to profit from the expected change between the buying and selling price of both the contracts. Crude oil prices are highly volatile. Apart from demand and supply factors, they are also influenced by geopolitical tensions. Hence, it's important to build a solid trading strategy before trading in crude oil. Trading in crude oil and energy markets require exceptional skills set to build consistent profits. Crude oil prices are highly volatile. Apart from demand and supply factors, they are also influenced by geopolitical tensions. Hence, it's important to build a solid trading strategy before trading in crude oil. Trading in crude oil and energy markets require exceptional skill sets to build consistent profit. Next, some of the contracts to trade crude oil are as follow. The NYMEX WTI light sweet crude oil futures contracts trades in excess of 10 million contracts per month, offering superb liquidity. However, it has a relatively high risk due to the 1000 barrels contract unit and zero point zero 0.01 per barrel minimum price fluctuations. There are dozens of other energy-based products offered through NYMEX, with a vast majority attracting professional speculation but few private traders or investors. The US Oil Fund offers the most popular way to play crude oil through equities, posting average daily volume in excess of 20 million shares. Oil companies and sector funds offer diverse industry exposure with production, exploration, and oil services operations presenting different trends in opportunities. While the majority of companies track general crude oil trends, they can diverge sharply for long periods. These counter These counter swings often occur when equity markets are trending sharply with rallies or sell-offs triggering cross-market correlation that promotes lockstep behavior between the diverse sectors. Next, understand the crowd in crude oil trading. It consists mostly of professional traders and hedgers as well as retail traders to lesser extent. Professional traders and hedgers dominate the energy future market with industry players taking position to offset physical exposure while hedge funds speculate on long and short-term direction. Retail traders and investors exert less influence here than in more emotional markets like precious metals or high beta growth stocks. Retail's influence rise when crude oil trends sharply, attracting capital from small players who are drawn into these markets by front page headlines and table pounding talking heads. The subsequent wave of greed and fear can intensify underlying trend momentum, contributing to historic climaxes and collapses that print exceptionally high volume. Retail traders influence rises when crude oil trends sharply, attracting capital from small players who are drawn into these markets by front page headlines and table pounding talking heads. Next, investing in oil directly. One of the direct methods of owning oil is through the purchase of oil futures or oil options. Futures are highly volatile and involve a high degree of risk. Additionally, investing in futures may require the investor to do a lot of homework as well as invest a large amount of capital. Another direct method of owning oil is through the purchase of commodity based oil exchange traded funds. Exchange traded funds trade on a stock exchange and can be purchased and sold in a manner similar to stocks. For example, buying one share of the US oil fund would give you exposure to roughly 1 barrel of oil. The fund's investment objective is to provide daily investment results corresponding to the daily percentage changes of the spot price of West Texas Intermediate crude oil to be delivered to Cushing, Oklahoma. Next, investing in oil indirectly. In addition, investors can gain indirect exposure to oil through the purchase of energy sector ETFs, exchange traded fund like the iShares Global Energy Sector Index Fund and to energy sector mutual funds like the T. Rowe Price New Era Funds, that is PRNEX. These energy-specific ETFs and mutual funds invest solely in the stock of oil and the oil services companies and come with lower risks. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.